Hey, welcome back to the Friesen kitchen. I'm Annika and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious lemon cheesecake macarons. I have a few macaron recipes on my channel already and I see you guys enjoying these, so I figured I would do another one today. I will be making a lemon curd center for the macarons and a cheesecake frosting around the lemon curd. It's going to be so delicious, so let's get started. For the macaron shell you will need 72 grams of aged egg whites room temperature, 20 grams of superfine sugar, a pinch of salt, yellow gel color, 140 grams of powdered sugar, and 90 grams of almond flour. So first off, I'm gonna make the meringue, and for that I will whip up my egg whites with a pinch of salt, and then I will gradually add my sugar. So let's do it. So now I've got my egg whites, my salt, and my sugar in the bowl. Now I'm going to take a spatula, scrape down the sides, and then I will run the mixer on high speed for 2 minutes. So my meringue is all done. I added some food color. I have some yellow in here because they're lemon cheesecake macarons. Now I'm gonna combine my almond flour with my powdered sugar and process them until well combined. So this process of combining the almond flour with the powdered sugar will help for the macaron to have a smooth top. And now I'm going to use a fine mesh strainer to sift my powdered sugar almond flour mixture into my meringue mixture. Now comes a very important step, the macaronage. And this basically means you just fold in your dry ingredients into your meringue mixture. And for beginners, I just recommend counting your strokes to 45 to 50 turns, and then you will have the right consistency. So let me show you how I do it. The macaronage is all done and you saw it, it's a lava-like consistency. Now I'm gonna add my batter into a piping bag with a round tip on the bottom, and then I'm going to pipe the macarons on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and I've got a template underneath my parchment paper. The macarons are all piped on the baking tray. Now I'm going to drop the sheet a couple times on the countertop to release the air bubbles. And then I'm going to correct the holes with a toothpick. And now I'm going to let the macarons dry on a cool, dry place for 20 to 60 minutes, and when you can touch them and they have the skin on top, they're ready to go in the oven. So while the macarons are drying, I'm going to show you what you will need for the filling. And first we're going to start off with making the lemon curd, and then later on I'm going to show you how to make the cheesecake filling. So for the lemon curd you will need 2 egg yolks, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And for the cheesecake frosting, you will need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. So to make the lemon curd, it's so simple. You just add the egg yolks into a small saucepan over low heat, along with the sugar and the lemon juice. And now I'm gonna cook this on low for 20 minutes until thickened. And then I'm gonna take this off the heat and add the butter. So this cheesecake filling has only 3 ingredients. It's whipped up within seconds. So first I'm gonna add the butter, then powdered sugar, and last but not least, the most important, cream cheese. And now I'm gonna whip this up on high speed for 2 minutes and our cheesecake filling is all ready to go. So the macarons are all dried and you can touch them and they have the skin on top, so you know they're ready. Now I'm gonna remove my template and I'm gonna bake them in a preheated oven for 25 minutes. The macarons are baked and cooled off completely. Now I'm gonna fill them with our delicious cheesecake lemon curd filling. Okay, first off, I'm gonna make a border with my cheesecake filling. And I have enough space for the lemon curd and it will stay inside the macaron. And then I just top it with the same size of shell. And there you have another great recipe on my channel. I hope you make these. These are delicious. I can't wait to share them with friends. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!